Alright, we're at the studio MBS. Mind, Body, Soul, and Kevin from HogsHaven here with number 97, one-man gang, Lorenzo Alexander.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good, early.
It is early. It's 7:30 on a Saturday morning. See what I do for you folks, HogsHaven? Goodness. So tell me about the studio. What you do here?
Well, we do various different activities here. We have, of course, our Pilates, where actually this whole place got birthed from. Me and Kendrick trained last year in the off-season doing Pilates. He's been doing it for 4+ years now. I'm fairly new at it. And so we do that. We also have TRX. We also have dance for children. And then we also have like a mommy's morning out, which is kind of like a daycare, Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 9 to 12 right now.
Yeah. Is this what you see yourself doing after your careers over?
This is one of the things. Definitely being a small business owner was one of the things I wanted to accomplish in my lifetime and wanted to kind of pursue. But I also have other passions. So this is one of the revenue streams I'll hopefully be able to build and create for our family to support ourselves, as well as some other possible endeavors that I have coming up as well.
Okay, so today we'll be doing some TRX. Real quickly, what's that?
TRX is suspension training. It's training anywhere, anytime. It's really focused on the core. Every movement you have to engage your core. It's all about stabilizing. So it's good. It's an alternative workout just to lifting weights. It's very easy. It's progressive. You can make it as hard as you want or easy as you want, and you're just using your body weight, which is a plus because it's not too much equipment that you need, just the strap.
Okay, so my goal today is to look like Lorenzo from like Laurent Landry.
Wow.
You think I can get there today?
No, not at all.
What do I have to do to get there? Get there like that?
It takes years. I think this is not overnight right here. First, we're going to engage our core. So we're going to be on all fours. Right here, this is how we started the class, kind of warm up. You can use it if you want. So make sure you got a flat back. We're going to go up for our left leg. Activate that glute. Get 15 in. Try not to turn your body as much as you really want to lift the glute. You might not get that high, which is fine.
I'm one of the least flexible people you
You're even worse than me. And I'm single leg suitcases, so we're right here. It's coming up. 30 seconds. Make it harder. You can bring your other leg off the ground and come up. Right. Oh, yeah. So we got 30 seconds here. Always bring that foot down, make it a little bit easier for you. And then at the time, coming up. And obviously, the further you move your feet that way, the harder you make it. And just eyes. Alright? I want to leave. When you're coming back, I don't want you to bring it down like that. It's always a good plank. Start up top, and the eye position. I want you to start up over your head. Stand up and find a position based on your narrow down. Got 8 lows. You might want to stand back. Yeah. Hold straight up your head.
Okay.
Is that what it is? Depending on how bad you breathe in 3 sets. Oh, the first one, I want you to sit here. Alright, and then out here for the second set. Okay, we're gonna repeat that.
The time or?
Yes, it is time. 30 seconds each one, so a minute total. Switch pendulum. It's the last one. Last 30 seconds. Let me start. Here we go. After this, just go and crawl on out. Come on. Come on. 10 seconds up. He didn't fill out of it. We're going to get 15 seconds. 15 more seconds. That's a better move. Just to slip out like that next time.
Things were talking well.
Here we go. Come on. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. You can do anything for 10 seconds. Time. Good.
Alright, it's the next day. I gotta say I'm feeling pretty good. I didn't meet my goal where I'm ready to start twit picking myself pictures of the running, but I'm feeling pretty good, pretty sore in that core there. I haven't done a whole lot of type of exercise before. Don't let the video fool you. I actually got through most of that workout. Just a couple I couldn't do there at the end, like the pendulum swing, which I want another crack at, Lorenzo. But again, just great exercise. Learned a lot. Anybody can do that. Lorenzo, Kedrick, they're certified trainers. You can visit their studio online at www.thestudiombs.com. Support your local Redskins. Hell yeah.